Project Share. Once a project is saved to the workspace, you'll want to determine which user can actually access that project. For collaborative design or reviewing this project, this is done by sharing the project, or rather by configuring its access permissions. This can be performed through Workspace browser interface and also directly within Altium Designer. Now, a design saved to Workspace can be shared with other users, including those outside the workspace, and roles for editing and for viewing and commenting only. One of the most powerful aspects of the Altium 365 infrastructure platform is its support for collaboration on a global scale. At the heart of this platform's support for global sharing, with Altium 365, you can effortlessly share your current design progress with management or purchasing a potential manufacturer. Once the project is released to an Altium 365 workspace, you can share this data with your manufacturer through a defined manufacturing package, which they can then peruse through the Altium 365 platform dedicated manufacturing package viewer without them having access to your workspace, and therefore keeping your design data out of sight. They can then download the build package with which to get your board fabricated and assembled.